What's up, y'all? It's your boy Rod. I'm coming at y'all with a new video. This video, I just want to be talking about my day in the market today. 5/13/2025. It was a Tuesday, and I would say I had a pretty good trading day. I only lost on one account. Every other account I won money on. Granted, it wasn't my full R on, you know what I'm saying, all my accounts, but I was still able to walk away with wins on the majority of my accounts. And I was also able to, despite taking a small initial loss on this first account, let God. I believe this is my actual second account I traded for the day. The first account I know I traded was definitely my Mind for the Futures account. Right now I'm not doing the best on that account at all. That account has just seen straight drawdown. Every trade I put on has been a loss for the most part. Um, it's just how it is. Well, let me not say that. I have made some profits on that account, but I it doesn't, the balance doesn't get any higher. I guess I just keep losing the profits I gain because I do scale out the majority of the time, but since my Fund of Futures is a end of day account, I don't scale out as much as I do on Bullnox because these are intraday accounts. So I essentially have to scale out because I want to lock in some profits with these accounts. So I probably should start treating that account a little bit more like Bullnox and just be content with whatever winners I get. So for this account, I took a trade. Will I be able to show you guys what I took? Let me see. Okay, so yeah, this is essentially what I took. Why is it like that? Yeah, this is essentially the trade I took right here. It was a good trade. I was in drawdown, as you guys can see. Um, I do believe I took this initially, like at this what you call it, at this retest, because we already had a retest here. I saw that. I took it at this retest. Almost got stopped out. Got saved by balance here, as you can see. Because I wanted, like, I look for trades at the top of balance or at balance. Sometimes I'll even look for trades at the bottom of balance, depending if there's like a trade signal for it, because it really is just like once you learn how to read balance, it's pretty cool. It's pretty like you see what you need to see essentially. So this spared me. I was in some drawdown. I saw some drawdown. Um, I actually believe, like, as this was coming down a little bit, I cut the trade. So I only had like a small loser of $100. I put back on the same trade, 250 risk, and I was looking for 500 on all of my accounts. I was able. I wasn't able to get the full TP on my like I said, my Bullnox account. This Let God account. I was only able to get 200, about 200. How much money I get? I don't know, about $200 I won today. Not mad at it. As you guys can see, I take a lot less trades on this account. I'm trying to play it conservative. I have a pretty decent win rate on this account. Like I said, because I trade pretty conservative on this. I really only see. I trade only like the premium setups I see. I don't really trade outside of balance on this account. That's something I should also look to start doing on my other accounts. Also on this account, I want to say that my average like holding time is a lot better from what I can see compared to some of the accounts that I failed in the past. Like, let me show you guys some, like, how bad it used to be. Like, these are old accounts. I can't even tell you like when I know I probably took these shits in March. Okay. What the hell? See, I'm trying to see if why is this not showing? All right, you see what it is, bro. Like, yeah. So I used to be in trades for like 2 to 5 minutes. A lot of losers. Why can't I show this? Damn. Was it just that one day I cooked myself? Yeah, look at this shit, guys. Just just one day I cooked myself. This was March, so this is not too long ago. I just like this is a $15 account. I don't know. I just saw red. This is a Friday. I don't know what I was trying to gain here, but you can clearly see I gained nothing by over trading and probably over leveraging on this Friday afternoon or Friday morning. I don't do that shit no more. It's not worth it. See right here. Like I said, like no profitable weeks. You know what I mean? Straight taking OD trades, and I probably was trying to scale in and scale out, but still 31 trades is not decent. I don't know what an average like trade count after scaling out should be. Probably like around 10 to 12. Cause I do scale out, keep that shit, yeah. But yeah, as you guys can see, very like very low amounts of wins, very large losers. Is how I used to roll in these markets. Show one more account. One more account. Let's see. Where's when did I blow this? Am I tripping? Do you guys see anything? 'Cause I'm not seeing anything. So I don't understand why this isn't showing me like exact. I don't know. But yeah, you guys can see this account like I wasn't doing well either. I wasn't able to see anything above 50,000. Just slow, you know what I mean, like just slowly drilling myself in a hole. You know what I mean? Not taking quality setups. Um, yeah, that's just it, man. Like only 2 active days, only 17 total trades, and I blew the account. Most money I lost is on a Wednesday. Ridiculous. $1,800. Most profitable day is $200, which is ridiculous. Oh well, I'm sorry. This is the total number of 60 trades. But like you can see, average trade time of 5 minutes and 18 seconds, and like compared that to my better account right here, Let God, as you guys can clearly see. Whoa, 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 whoa. 1 minute and 7 seconds. That's odd. Oh, yeah, Am I tripping? Yeah, this shit is tripping. Yeah, I'm bugging. All right, there you go. I'm sorry, guys. I've been tweaking. I've been tweaking. So, like I was saying, as you can see, my average trade duration is a little bit longer here. You know what I mean? 9 minutes and 32 seconds. So essentially, I'm finding better setups, better quality setups that allow me to stay in trades longer, as I guess they have more confluences to back them up, as opposed to where I used to take trades at poor levels with a lack of confluences, and that caused me to be in the trade for less than 2 minutes, sometimes 3 minutes. So now I'm a little bit better. Now I get to wait for my trades to play out a little bit. Like I said, like it's a little bit longer, 11 minutes. But that's besides the point. You guys see, I'm trading a lot better on this account than I am on my other accounts. To show you the other account that I was able to make some money on today, my Stay Disciplined account. Uh, yeah. So with this account, only got $439. Like I said, I was looking for $500. I scaled out some on these accounts because, like I said, this is an intraday account, so I was able to lock in the majority of profits. I didn't get the full 500, as I was. I got most of the profits. I know I scaled out about half, and then I scaled out half about. Let me show you, because we were approaching TPs relative, and we were showing some rejections at the top of balance. So I took some off around somewhere in between the half back of balance and the top of balance here after I saw some rejections. I was content with taking some profits just because this is an intraday account and I just want to lock in some profits. And we were coming into the top of balance, and I just wasn't trying to play that risky game, so I secured some profits. Let the runners hold. I had stops at break even, and I was spared. Uh, as you can see, we came back up into balance, and we broke through it. And I was able to get what remained of the full TP on the remainder of my accounts. So yeah, and I took that one trade across multiple accounts. Uh, I took this trade. I believe I took this trade I did on my funded futures, but I can't remember. Can't remember. I believe I got cooked up somewhere because I know this is like a 3 minute uh, balance area, and or either 3 minute or 1 minute balance, because I know it wasn't getting respected at first, and I kind of got cooked up. My funded futures, like I didn't give it enough time to let the setup, build. I just kind of took that shit. But yeah, see, so this is a 1 minute balance area. I believe I tried long somewhere in here. Coming back into it, that probably wasn't the best idea. After these lower highs that was made right here, but I like the support of balance. And yes, I know I got stopped out. No, I got stopped out on my funded futures, like somewhere in this area, taking this trade right here. It's okay though. I should have been able to read it a little bit better. Once I saw this break right here, I probably should have knew it was like clipped. This strong break underneath balance. I knew, I knew 1 minute chart alone is good enough to show that, what I'm saying, this trade was pretty much, I could have closed it a little bit early with some less minimal loss. Seeing that we came and broke through balance. I watched it literally support off this, and I wanted to take that same, not that same trade again, but I wanted to get it here at this bounce area. But as you guys can see, sometimes that would have been a break even, but like you see, like that tap into balance. A lot of the times it gives that nice reaction that I'm saying you're looking for in the trade. And this still, if I didn't break even, this wouldn't have stopped me out either. So yeah, this is a really good trade. I think this gave a clear signal. He tapped into balance, came back into it, pushed down, and then that same balance we tapped into, we mitigated it, but we still was able to respect the halfback of it, and making higher highs at the end of the day. So I think that was a really good trade. We also had the 20 SMA. My goodness. And yeah, so that was a really good money trade. And then it paid, like the strategy played out right here as well. You can see, got the brigade bolt, which is basically a retest of this balance area to take it higher. And as you can see, when it got stopped out, it would have been good money. Boom. I'm saying another 10 points. God, like this shit. And it's still paid here too. So, yeah, so balance setup was definitely cooking today. Um, I think I did pretty well waiting. I waited till about 9:30 to initiate trades. So I would say that's good. This didn't come quite back to balance. But this would this have been an entry? Randy's lows. We have a that's a demand area right there. So we have area demand. That's it right there. Okay, so that's still would have played out. I'd have got stop break even for surely, but still would have played out. That's nice. You could take shorts from balance as well, as you can clearly see. Could have took shorts down here. And yeah, so it was like there's opportunities every day, as you guys can see. Like look at that beautiful short from the top of balance. And these are all levels. These aren't hindsight balance areas I'm drawing. These are balance areas I drew like that scene. You know what I'm saying? Within the session. So beautiful setup right here. Beautiful setup. Clean moves down. Came. And I probably would have looked for longs here. Probably, most likely. Just trying to follow the trend of the day. But that would have got cooked up. So not everything works, you know. But after seeing rejections like this and the volume tapering up like this, I wonder why it was tapering up like this. But yeah, so like I said, that this trade right here would have got cooked up. Probably immediately even. But I definitely would have probably gotten around this area right here, seeing these wicks. And I got stopped out, so it's okay. Yeah, you could have took trades, seeing a failure back into balance. Like if I seen this candle right here, you have these highs right here, these little highs, boom, boom, liquidity, swept that. Then we have a bigger candle into balance as well. Made a nice gap underneath the balance. So that's really bearish. And yeah, it just would have been chop city after that. Balancing in between these two balances. But if you played it right, you probably still could have made some money. How much points is that in between? Oh, I'm tired, guy. That's about 4 points. That's what I'm saying. What I'm saying. A trader that knows what he's doing, he can make money in that little range. Um, yeah. So like, boom, come down, take your profits here. Boom, if you want, like, take profits coming up back to balance. Stop below candles low. You know what I'm saying? That you get stopped out here, come back down, boom, balance. But you just see it, and it was compressing a little bit, so the opportunities kind of dried up as the day progressed. But yeah, so you see it. Let me show you guys the last account. I think I didn't show. Yeah, I didn't show you guys this account that I had a little baby profit on. I accidentally entered on two different trades with this account. One on YM, one on one on MYM and one on MES. The first one I did was the MYM because let me show you how I had it. So I had it like this for future reference for myself as well. I was on my laptop and I didn't essentially realize that this was on MYM. I pressed 15 contracts, which probably wasn't I should have just did 10. 15. I don't even have like the points written down for 15. I only have it for 5 and 10. But essentially, I basically liked the trade. It was the same trade that I was taking. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is a little bit after, because I was kind of I didn't trade this account. I was like telling myself that I probably wouldn't trade this account. But after I got my little profits, I was like, fuck it. Scared money. Not scared money, don't make money, but The day was still young. I don't even think it was 11 o'clock yet. So I put a trade on. I couldn't even tell you where I put the trade in. It was at like a bottom because I told myself I should have held that shit. And essentially I should have held it because that shit was moving. I caught a little bit of the move. And I got stopped break even because I was trailing my not not really trailing my stops, but I scaled in and out. So I was able to just secure a little $100. The most I saw was 500 like $60 total profit for both trades that I was running. So the ES trade was doing a little bit better. Probably should have just cut YM and let ES run, but I didn't. Um, I saw it move up, and then once it was at like once I saw I had 500 total profits, I trimmed some off of ES, and I had the rest of my money like fully in MYM. Probably wasn't the smartest decision. I probably should have just closed everything once I saw that $500 profit. Essentially, I guess I was. I what? I'm sorry, guys. I'm freaking wheezing into the mic or to the camera. But yeah, I was being a little bit greedy, but that's okay, I guess. Um, I still called it a day even after getting stop break even because I couldn't be mad at it. You know what I mean? Like I just had to be content. I wasn't gonna go chasing more because it was a good little setup. I just didn't, what I'm saying, stay in it, and that's okay. I'm learning. Making this specifically to track myself and show the progress. So yeah. Let me show you guys the Top Step account, and I will show you the My Fund Futures account to show you guys how much drawdown I've been in. This is the Top Step account. Praise God, I'm profitable. Thank you, Lord. As you guys can see, the same trade, like I was saying, that same 5-point risk trade. I was able to get the majority of the profits. Not all of it. I didn't get $50 worth, but it's okay. As you can see, I like longs a lot. This is because I scale in and out, I believe. So it's saying that my average losers are bigger. It's okay though. Profit factor, you guys see is positive. Only 1 day's worth of trade, so tomorrow we'll see what we can do. And yeah, so as you guys can see, I was in this trade for about 20 minutes. Played out nicely, and yeah. So my longer trades definitely do a little bit better. Yeah. And scaled. This is one trade, but I scaled in and out like I say. So average to 6 trades. Let me see. I'm curious to see how much it says on these accounts. Okay, so 6 trades as well, scaling in and out. Not bad. 6 trades as well, scaling in and out. And 6 trades as well, scaling. So as you guys can see, scaled in and out. Some accounts better than others. I was being a little bit pussy on this account just because I had already lost the prior $200, so I was just trying to I recouped what I lost and I gained a little bit of money. So I was content with that. I was like, fuck it. But really, I could have held the trade. It was a good money trade. It did look it looked good, but after seeing those rejections from balance, like I said previously, I just was trying to be content with what I got. And that's the only thing you can do, be content with what the market gives you. You know what I mean? And that's what he was giving me. That's what I was willing to accept, and that's what I took. So as you guys can see so far, this is definitely my best trading account that I have going on so far. The least amount of trades and the best profitability. We're gonna see tomorrow if we can maintain. If you see anything and see a quality setup like today, we'll take it. Hopefully get some more profits so that we can eventually pass this account. I know it's gonna happen, soon happen. And yeah, but I think that's all, guys. Oh, let me show you guys my funded futures. You guys see that? No, you can't. Yeah, you can. From the futures. Boy, tired. Finna go take me a nice sleep. I just woke up from a nap because I was so tired earlier, but I had to get a little nap and woke up, took my shower. Now I'm coming at you guys with this video. Alrighty. So as you guys can currently see, down $1,300, just straight drawdown with this account. Yeah, not looking too good, but it's okay. I've dropped my risk down essentially. Yeah, so I have a little bit of drawdown left. It's okay. So essentially, I've been containing myself to about $500 losses a day. This is crazy though. Straight losses though. I don't know why. I think I will admit this though. I do trade a lot better on Project X than I do on Trade-Avate on TradingView. Like I noticed that. Yeah, yesterday was a good day because I really was able to contain myself. It was just commissions. Like I had 2 break-evens. It was just good. Today, like I said, I let that trade. I don't. Did I even let it get? Yes, that's a. I'm trying to understand how I got 3 trades before. I can't remember. Um, but yeah, so definitely not doing the best on this account. We're gonna see if we could pick it back up a little bit. All I need is what? Damn, I need about 5. No, I need about 3 wins back to back to back to get myself out of drawdown. We can do it. You can do it. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Yeah, so you guys see it. It's all good. We're gonna get through it. You know what I'm saying? We still got a ways to go. You know what I'm saying? We still got a ways to go. And we're gonna see what we can do. Yep. God damn. I'm not looking at I haven't looked at this since I got this. But yeah. That's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry I just banged on the table like that, like a savage. But yeah, so we're gonna come back tomorrow, see what we could do. Yeah. Y'all have a beautiful, wonderful day and keep it moving and grooving and doing what you're doing. Facts. Safety.